Welcome to calculation class. If you need anything, you need the short and concise lesson notes, or you need the sharp plan that works for last minute preparation, send me a message on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number, okay? All road leads to my WhatsApp, all right? Let's go. I don't want you to write this JAMB again in 2027. Please, I beg you, allow me help you. Send me a message via WhatsApp, all right? So let's look at calculation under law of flotation. If you look at the list of the topics where JAMB said they are going to set calculation questions from, the law of flotation, the calculation under the law of flotation is the 8th topic, okay? So if you don't have that file, do well to send me a message on WhatsApp so that you get the file, all right? We are faced with this question. JAMB must repeat question 1. A wooden block of volume 1000 cubic centimeter and density 800 kilogram per cubic meter floats in water. What fraction of the block volumes is immersed? So we look at our option. They give them units not even day at all safe. So we know if we manipulate them, we need the formula to solve this, okay? So they said they're asking us the fraction of the block volume that is immersed. The fraction of the block volume that is what? Immersed in the what? Water. First of all, since this involves flotation, the substance is immersed, half of the substance day up, some other half day down. We are going to understand the law of flotation, okay? The law of flotation, the law of flotation, okay, the law of flotation states that the weight, okay, the weight of the block or of an object is equal to the what? Upthrust. Okay, that's that force that is pulling a substance, a body that is immersed in water upwards. The upward force that is pulling a body immersed in water. That's upthrust. Okay, upthrust acts like this, pulling the body upwards. Okay, this one na water, this one na water. They pull the body go up. Okay, that make you know they sink once immediately you jump enter inside water. It's because of upthrust. Okay, so the weight of the block. Weight of block equal to what? Upthrust. Okay, weight of block equal to upthrust. Okay, so what is the fraction immersed? Fraction immersed is equal to the formula that is used for fraction immersed is volume immersed, okay, over total volume, which is I don't want to be writing it in full. Total volume total equal to what? The density of the block all over the density of the what? The fluid or the liquid. Okay, so the fraction immersed, the formula is volume immersed over total volume is equal to the density of the block over the density of the what? The liquid. All right, so let's write out what we were given to solve this question. All right, we were given what? We were given the first thing here was the volume equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Okay, they also gave us density equal to 800 kilogram per meter cube. They also gave us what? Nothing. Now these two they give us. So they asked us what? Fraction immersed. Okay, fraction immersed. Question mark. So we are looking for this. Okay, so therefore we are applying this formula. All right, we are applying this formula. So the question I would like to ask you is that what is the volume immersed? That is what we are looking for. This volume immersed. That's what we are looking for. Okay, so since that's what we are looking for, we are going to write it volume immersed over, okay, total volume. Do we have total volume here? Did they give us total volume? They did not give us total volume, so we'll still write it. Volume total is equal to what? What do we have on this side? Density of block and density of liquid, okay, which is the volume of the liquid. The density of the liquid is also what? The volume of the liquid. We are going to what? Insert it, okay. What is the density of the block? The density of the block is what? 800 over the volume of the liquid, which is, where's the volume of the liquid? This one. This is the shortest cut to solving this, okay, which is 1000 cubic centimeter. We don't have to convert here. When you are solving under the law of flotation, no need to convert. Just solve directly and get your answer, okay. So what are we going to do here? Are we supposed to cross multiply? No. I will say now here now. I will say this one did down here now. This one did here now. We'll come cross multiply. What we have to do is we just divide and get our answer. Okay. So 800 divided by 1000 will give us 0.8. Okay. So 0.8 is the fraction, and this is also equivalent to what? 80% of the block. So the volume immersed or the fraction immersed, the volume immersed, or fraction immersed is equal to what? 0.8. 0.8, that's the answer. Or 80%, that's the answer. So look among the option and pick the correct option. Drop it in the comment section. See you in the next class.